Begin by using a 3/16" V-notched trowel. Spread a second layer of modified or rapid set thin set over foam panels and slightly over the edges of the drain body. Ensure coverage up to the edge of the drain body. Next, remove outer masking tape from the drain flange. Then, clean the drain flange with Hercules wipes before applying a 3/16" bead of sealant on exposed drain flange about 3/8 inch from the trough. Lay the folded waterproofing sheet over the drain area. Then, unfold to ensure that the topical sheet waterproofing is square. Smooth the membrane over the drain body and push locator pins through the membrane. Next, install the clamping collar by aligning locator pins with corresponding holes in the clamping collar and secure it with screws in an alternating pattern. Smooth the membrane throughout the shower footprint to remove excess thin set and any air pockets using a plastic drywall knife. Using the 3/16" V-notch trowel, spread thin set 7 inches up all sidewalls and behind the corner flap. Then press and smooth the sheet membrane into corners and up the wall immediately after the thin set application. Using the 3/16" V-notch trowel, apply thin set to the top and sides of the curb. Press and smooth the sheet membrane around all sides of the curb.